So you purchased your Anzu Robotics Raptor Series drone, and now you are wondering what the warranty and care program details are. Well, we have you covered. Today, we are going to go over what is covered on the Anzu Robotics warranty and replacement program. All Anzu Robotics drones include 1 year of the Anzu Care protection. You may be familiar with this type of program if you have ever had DJI Care on one of your DJI drones. The Anzu Care program is a comprehensive protection program in place that provides peace of mind to drone owners by offering coverage for accidental damages to their Anzu Robotics drone. With Anzu Care, customers can enjoy fast and convenient repair services, replacement units, and expert technical support to maximize the uptime of your drone. This program is designed to ensure that customers can continue flying with confidence, knowing that their investment is protected against unexpected mishaps. So what is covered in the Anzu Care program? The program offers coverage for accidental damage to Anzu Robotics drones, including collisions, water damage, and other unforeseen incidents. The first year of coverage is included with all Anzu Robotics drones, and it is not a separate charge or cost. Additionally, Anzu Care includes expert technical support to assist customers with any questions or concerns that they may have about their drone. Once you are past the 1 year of Anzu Care, all repairs and replacements are conducted outside the scope of the Care program, meaning you will be responsible for the costs associated with any repairs after your first year. The Care service fee for the Raptor is $225, and for the Raptor T, it is $350, similar to a deductible. Your 1 year countdown starts from your purchase date, and it is very important to register your drone as soon as you receive it to benefit from the warranty coverage. Although it's not required to register your drone with Anzu Robotics, in order to make any warranty claim, it must be registered and align with your proof of purchase. So fly with that peace of mind that you deserve, knowing that Anzu Robotics has you covered on your Raptor series drones. Follow us for more videos on the Raptor series drones from Anzu Robotics. You can purchase the entire Anzu product lineup in the link below, and if you have any questions, please give us a call at 8558-DRONES, shoot us an email at info@floridadronesply.com, or you can visit us at floridadronesply.com. As always, thank you so much for watching and enjoy your flight.